Hey guys, how are you? Mko poa? Hata mimi niko poa, niko back. Yani I'm back again today with another video kama kawaida. From the previous video I told you guys from the cake dough I made some mandazis and biscuits. So here are our mandazis. Just a small procedure, 2 to 3 minute video for you guys because I got you in this season of Christmas. Yeah, so just roll out the dough well, the right size, and just cut them into shapes of your desire. I love the square or rather the rectangular shapes because it's easier. Yeah, it doesn't take a lot of time and it's easier to work with. Yeah, unlike the round or any other shape, it's quite tedious. Yeah, so just with me with the square. Meanwhile, your oil should be boiled, like hot, super hot for you. So you deep fry the mandazis. I do deep frying. I don't know whether some people bake or do what, but I do deep fry my mandazis just the right way. Yeah, look at that, guys. This is from the cake dough. You remember the cake dough? And then we used the same cake dough to make some biscuits, the same cake dough to make these mandazis. You can save this video, watch it, like, subscribe, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends because you can't be enjoying this alone. No, that's selfish of you. See you on the next one, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share, spread the word. Nawapenda sana. Na iwa nice as you enjoy your Christmas holidays. Bye.